Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing 4 inexpensive DIYs for you guys. I know it is closer to Christmas, but I also know a lot of people that have just started decorating this weekend or this past week. So if you are not wanting to spend a lot of money, but you're still wanting to add a little bit more Christmas decor to your home, these DIYs are going to be great for you. So jumping right into the first DIY, I got a couple of these picture frames from Dollar Tree. I just removed the plastic inserts. I also picked up a couple of these gorgeous gift bags from Dollar Tree. I knew these would make great pictures as soon as I saw them. I am just tracing out the gift bags on the frame. So after I cut the gift bag out, I am going to trace it onto foam board and get the foam board cut out to size. And after I get those pieces cut out, I'm just going to Mod Podge these gift bags onto the foam board. Now I lost the footage of me putting these together, but literally all that I did after that step was hot glue these to the backs of the frames, add some command strips, and hang them up on the wall. So here is the finished product. I am so in love with these two pictures. I feel like they look like they cost more than $2 each. They are very, very pretty, and here's that picture that I used as an inspiration. I got that picture from Home Goods for $15. I think that they all complement each other really well, and it just makes my home feel more Christmassy, more like a white Christmas, and I'm so in love with these pictures. So moving on to the next one, I am using Capri Sun boxes. Yes, I am. I had these sitting on the counter ready to go out to the recycle bin, and I had this microfiber car towel. It's from Dollar Tree in the car section. I had this from last year. I had planned on making a couple of these presents last year using this microfiber cloth. That's why I bought this. So I decided to make some. I just wanted some cute decor pieces to kind of fill up some areas of my home. And I had some ribbon, and once I found this, it reminded me that I was going to make these last year. So I started looking around for boxes that I had, and these were right on the counter, and I thought, why not? So I just cut these in half and made sure that I had enough of this fabric to make 2 of them. You can see that it doesn't cover all the way around, but that doesn't matter because I am going to put my ribbon around, so you're not going to be able to see that, and that's going to be the bottom of the present anyway. I wrapped that around one direction, glued it on the bottom, and then around the other direction I wrapped this red ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree this year. And then I am just making a bow to go on top, and in the center of the bow I'm going to wrap it with the burlap ribbon. Now for the second present I'm going to do the opposite. Let me give you a Christmas. So I had a lot of these gold kind of shimmery branches from last year, and I haven't done anything with them this year, and I didn't just want to add another, piece of greenery to these presents. So I decided to add this instead with a little pine cone, and this is the final product. I think these two presents are gorgeous. And you can't tell that it's Capri Sun boxes under there. Nobody really needs to know that. They look like regular boxes, so I'm really happy with the way these came out. So this next DIY is going to be super, super simple. If you have any kind of greenery or picks or berries, anything like that left over. I had this left over from last year. I think this is actually what was in this sleigh. I got this sleigh last year from Target in their Bullseye's playground section. It was $5, and I just want to add a little bit more than greenery to it this year. So I found this little ornament sign at Dollar General. It was only $1, and when I saw it, I thought that it would be perfect to add to this sleigh with a little bit of presents in there. So I went looking at Dollar Tree. I know I've seen smaller gift boxes there before, but when I went the day that I went, they didn't have anything smaller than these boxes right here. So I ended up just going with these two because these two already kind of match my decor. I didn't have to do anything to them. They're cute little boxes, no painting, nothing. I just threw them in there with the greenery and the berries and the little tag, and this cost me $3 to do with the sleigh and the greenery that I already had on hand. So this next DIY is going to be super simple and very inexpensive. If you have any kind of a wreath or decor piece like this, I am just going to be using this Peace on Earth wood sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm giving it a light stain with some brown acrylic paint mixed with water, and that's going to dry in just a minute. And then I'm going to take this decor piece. I've had this all year in my home. I got it from Big Lots. I removed the metal welcome word from it, and I'm also removing the wires from the wreath so that I can make the wreath larger so that I can fit this Peace on Earth sign in there better. Keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. I decided I want to use this decor piece for different seasons and different holidays, so I don't want to be gluing anything down. I am taking that wreath and I am attaching it back to the basket using some green twine. I just stuck that Peace on Earth sign in there, didn't glue it down, didn't hook it on to there. It's staying just fine in there. Then I'm taking these red berries. These are the really pretty ones that Dollar Tree had this year with the silver glitter little sparkles on it. And I am not gluing these down either. I'm sticking them into the greenery as best I can and trying to nudge them in there just right so that they're not going to fall out when I bring this sign forwards. So this DIY only cost me $2 to do. I can easily convert this back to the original form if I want. I like the idea of changing it out for different occasions, but I think that this turned out really pretty. I think that this looks like it could have came from the store like this. So all of the DIYs that I did in today's video only cost me a few dollars or less each to make, and you can't really tell that just by looking at them. I am really in love with these pictures. I love the presents that I made. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite today. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.